Since RBI Grade B Phase 1 will be conducted next month, we have released one batch for all of you that is all based on rapid revision for Phase 1 only. Now this becomes important to understand what is there in it. So we have multiple kinds, this is a kind of box which is full of magic here. This includes live classes, this includes notes as well as mock tests also. So live classes, we are having 10 live practice session specifically for QRE, because if you consider QRE, that is one of the major pillars of Phase 1, right? Along with that, 5 PIB Masterclass sessions specifically for right from May to October PIB coverage will be given to you people. 3 RBI circular Masterclass sessions have been conducted, will be conducted specifically from April to October. RBI circulars as well as direction coverage will also be provided here. 10 sessions which is going to cover 1000 plus GA MCQs right from April to till October, right? Along with that, 10 sessions covering 1000 plus government, this MCQs, which is specifically based on these government schemes, specifically on the reports as well as budget also. Along with that, you have 15 sessions which are going to cover 1000 banking, finance and RBI circular MCQs right from April till October, and you need not to worry about the timings. 24/7 access will be given to you people. Now let's come on to the notes here. So 4 monthly downloadable magazines for each month, that is April to April 2025 till September, okay, that will be provided to you people, right? So each month it is covering 4. So April may be 4, May, June, July, August, everyone will have 4 magazines. That is the most important pillar for your examinations. Along with that, downloadable are the PDFs here, so you can easily download them, right? Mock tests will be taken here, which includes 20 Phase 1 full-length mock tests, 15 RBI Phase 1 specific sectional tests will be given, and you need not to worry about the English medium as well. Of course, the medium is going to be English, and the validity is going to be there till Phase 2 completion. Yeah. So I think this is a kind of comprehensive package that we people are providing you, and I'm very excited to see you there in my classes. Thank you.